Most people look at a typical rooftop solar array and see a silent, completely passive piece of technology. When building these systems, amateur installers tend to focus their safety checks entirely on avoiding standard electric shocks. They look at the relatively small current coming from a single panel and assume the safety risk is inherently low. But that assumption completely ignores a silent, highly aggressive threat hiding inside the wiring, the DC arc flash. Unlike a standard alternating current spark that flashes and quickly dies, a DC arc is a continuous electrical fire. Once it ignites, it aggressively refuses to stop. To understand how an arc starts, we must look at the modular nature of solar installations. These systems are constructed by linking individual panels that operate at relatively low, safe voltages. However, when you wire these panels in a series, you trigger a mechanical reality called voltage stacking. The baseline voltage of every single panel adds up together, multiplying invisibly as the string gets longer. This animated diagram demonstrates the math in action. We have 5 standard 40-volt panels wired in series. As each connection is made, the voltage stacks up: 40, 80, 120, 160, instantly pushing the system's baseline into the 200-volt danger zone. At 200 volts, the electricity possesses enough raw potential energy to physically jump through open air. By simply linking together completely harmless components, you create a hidden hazard zone where extreme electrical physics take over. That extreme physics seeks out the physical vulnerabilities in the array. Most often, those are the connection points, specifically MC4 connectors and terminal blocks. All it takes is a microscopic physical gap in the circuit to compromise the system. This gap forms when a connector is loose, when wire insulation gets scraped, or when an installer makes the fatal error of unplugging a live cable under an active load. This diagram shows the Ohm's law dynamics taking place at that microscopic gap. High voltage acts as immense pressure, forcefully pushing current to leap across the physical separation. That force jump superheats the surrounding oxygen, altering empty space into a highly conductive pathway. Massive current is not a prerequisite here. High voltage alone possesses the raw force required to initiate a destructive arc fault. Once an arc ignites, the behavior of the electricity dictates what happens next. And there is a critical physical difference between the alternating current in your home and the power generated by a solar array. This chart illustrates alternating current, or AC. The sine wave oscillates up and down, dropping voltage to 0 50 to 60 times per second. That constant zero crossing acts as a built-in off switch, instantly starving the arc. But solar arrays produce direct current. Notice how the voltage flows as a flat, relentless horizontal line. Direct current completely lacks a zero crossing to break the circuit. Because DC power never drops to zero, the physics of the system actively feed the flame. It allows the arc to sustain itself continuously until the physical material of the wire and conduit is entirely destroyed. When that sustained arc is trapped inside a wall space or a conduit run, the physical consequences escalate rapidly. Look at this formula mapping the power equation. A sustained arc acts as a high-temperature heat engine, generating thermal output based on voltage and current. But we must introduce the true danger variable, time. The energy equation, energy equals power multiplied by time, proves the damage is not static. Because the DC arc cannot stop, duration expands. Destructive thermal energy compounds exponentially, quickly reaching catastrophic melting temperatures. An arc flash is a runaway thermal event where time acts as the primary multiplier of destruction. Many amateur installers operate under a dangerous assumption. They believe standard circuit breakers will naturally catch and stop this fault. This illustration of a standard AC breaker sliced open shows exactly why that assumption fails. AC breakers internally rely on zero crossings to break an arc. When used in a DC solar system, the continuous current bypasses that safety mechanism, completely melting and fusing the internal contacts together. Applying traditional AC safety hardware to DC electrical physics actively turns your standard safety equipment into a continuous fire hazard. To safely operate high-voltage arrays, we must practice prevention engineering, utilizing strict, deliberate steps to stop arc initiation before it begins. The physical requirements for a safe array are absolute. You must utilize properly rated DC disconnects and ensure every MC4 connector is perfectly, professionally crimped to eliminate microscopic gaps. And the golden rule for installers is to never isolate or disconnect a live circuit while it is carrying an active load. In solar engineering, fearing only the current is a fatal mistake. You have to respect the hidden math of voltage stacking, because voltage provides the spark, but time guarantees the fire.